What are you doing?
Thank you, Joe. That's Joe, my assistant. I was humming along with our crooner in chief.
Crooner in chief? Who's that?
President Obama. He was singing some reverence song. A reverend is some kind of minister.
So the president is a religious man.
He has to be president of the United States.
Crooner in chief. Boy, I still have a lot to learn about this job.
Only stars get assistants, you know.
Yeah.
So I don't know if Mitt Romney is still more man or not. He actually lost to Rick Santorum in Iowa, you know, the late bloomer, and he just lost to Newt Gingrich in South Carolina. He keeps saying he's more man, though.
Didn't I hear before this last primary that Gingrich was in Romney's rearview mirror?
And now Romney is in Gingrich's mirror. Ha! Mirror, mirror, in the car. How do I get to the nearest bar? I'd like to know. Before the South Carolina primary, those two guys made fun of Obama for being in Disney World. You know that place? All kinds of fun. Romney said Obama is always there in Fantasyland. And Gingrich said Mickey and Goofy are part of Obama's administration.
Mickey, Goofy, all those guys think they're big shots.
I wonder where Donald is.
Trump?
Duck! Anyway, Gingrich left Romney in a South Carolina swamp.
Swamps are full of alligators with big mouths to swallow you right up. Bigger than that, even. Hey, now Romney can prove he is more man.
You know, the two of them better keep an eye on their rear view, for they'll be seeing me in it, they will. Scram, I thought this was we.
Well, that's what I used to think too, Omelet, but now I'm not so certain. Who's Hank, anyway?
Who's Hazel? State of the Union, State of the Union, State of the Union, State of the Union, State of the